Our planet is perfect. The air is fresh. The ocean is clean. The rivers are blue. The forests are green. No one talks about a climate crisis. We don't need climate solutions.
Do you agree? No? That makes us too. We desperately need solutions to reverse climate change, and people all over the world are protecting the wildlife, removing CO2 from the air, restoring degraded land, inventing energy solutions, and turning pollution into fuel. But how exactly do they do it? And how does the ocean absorb CO2? And what is the footprint of this video? Let us explore these questions together. You receive rich stories and inspiring insights directly in your inbox. Now, are you ready to join the Climate Pioneers expedition